Be Wealthy and Smart, episode 360.
Step into a world of wealth and financial freedom without budgets, boredom, or bosses on Be Wealthy and Smart. And now, here's your host, Linda P. Jones.
Welcome to Be Wealthy and Smart. I'm Linda P. Jones, America's Wealth Mentor, empowering women and men worldwide to financial freedom. On today's show, we're going to talk about the best and worst performing ETFs of 2017. And this is good to know because if you have an ETF or you're thinking about buying an ETF, it's important to know what has actually done well in the prior year in terms of performance and what the symbols are. And maybe you'll get an idea for some pretty interesting things that have been good performers. I know there were some things on the list that surprised me, and I'll share those with you. But we're going to go through the top 10 U.S. diversified stock ETFs, and then we're going to go through the top 10 sector ETFs. And then we'll chat a little bit more about how to use those in your portfolio. All right, so ranked by year-to-date performance as of 12/28/17, which is the last trading day of the year, and this is according to Investors Business Daily. The number one U.S. diversified stock ETF was the Innovator IBD 50, which is symbol FFTY, and it was up 39% in 2017. Then the iShares Edge MSCI USA Momentum, symbol MTUM, was up 38.3%. The PowerShares QQQ, symbol QQQ, was up 33.5%. Of course, that's the technology ETF. Then you have the iShares Russell Top 200 Growth, symbol IWY, that was up 32.3%. The iShares Russell 1000 Growth, symbol IWF, up 30.6%. Vanguard Mega Cap Growth, symbol MGK, was up 30%. The Schwab U.S. Large Cap Growth, symbol SCHG, up 28.6%. The Spider Dow Jones Industrial Average, or DIA, known as the Diamonds, that was up 28.5%. The Vanguard Growth, symbol VUG, up 28.3%. And the Vanguard S&P 500 Growth, symbol VOOG, up 28.7%. So those were the top 10 U.S. diversified stock ETFs. And now we're going to talk about the top 10 sectors of 2017. So sectors, of course, are non-diversified ETFs. They're a particular part of the market. They're not a broadly diversified ETF, as you know. So these sectors are really interesting because some of these I wasn't even aware existed. The number one sector ETF in 2017 is ARK Innovation, symbol ARKK, up 89.2% in 2017. Number two was ARK Web X.0, symbol ARKW, up 87.7%. Number three was the VanEck Vectors Rare Earth Strategic Metals, symbol REMX, up 83.4%. Then the Global X Lithium and Battery Technology ETF, symbol LIT, up 64.4%. The iShares U.S. Home Construction, or ITB, up 60.4%. The Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF, symbol BOTZ, that's kind of cute, bots, up 59%. Global X Social Media, SOCL, up 55.8%. Guggenheim Solar, TAN is the symbol, up 55%. Amplify Online Retail, symbol IBUY, up 51.3%. And the Spider S&P Biotech, XBI, up 46%. So I didn't even know that there was a robotics and artificial intelligence sector ETF, and that was pretty cool to see. And so, you can tell that some of these sectors are very much hip and in favor right now, trendy, I guess I could say, like with artificial intelligence, AI, that's all the rage and all the talk. And so to see it up 59% didn't surprise me one bit. Something like the rare earths was a little bit surprising because they haven't done very well for a while. So that being up 83% was amazing. And seeing social media on there was very interesting. Biotech, retail, when a lot of retail has been having trouble, but this is online retail. So that one seemed to do well. So it's interesting to see what sectors have performed well. I'm not familiar with the ARC Innovation or ARC Web X.0, but for them to be up over 80% was incredibly phenomenal. And of course, you want to be very careful if you're thinking about investing in something that's been up that much the year before, because sometimes they can just come down as quickly as they've gone up. But if you want to take, 10% of your portfolio and put some sectors into your portfolio, I think that can be kind of interesting. So I let you know these sectors so that you can think about what do you want to pepper in, and maybe you buy 2% of 5 different ones, or maybe you have some other ones that you're interested in, or maybe you are thinking about, adding one of these or 5% to your portfolio. Just something interesting that you can use as a small allocation. It is taking more risk, so you do want to keep it a small percentage of your allocation. And I just wanted to let you know what some of those really top performers were last year, in case maybe some of them have a follow-through year and continue to go. We'll see what happens. But as always, be cautious. Don't take this as a recommendation to buy anything, and do more research on your own and speak with your financial advisor. I will post these on my website so that you can take a look and see them for yourself. And while you're there, if you want to get my 11 quick financial tips to boost your wealth, it's a free report I have of 11 quick things anyone can do to get to financial freedom faster. That's all for today. Until next time, live the good life and be wealthy and smart.
Thank you for listening to Be Wealthy and Smart with Linda P. Jones. Share the wealth and tell your family and friends about the show. Check out our website, blog, and social media for more riches at www.bewealthyandsmart.com.